Can you solve this Math Olympiad problem we have on the board? If you think you can, please pause the video and make a guess. Our goal here is to find the value of x in 4 power x is equals to 100. For us to solve this is very simple. First thing we'll think, can we actually make the bases to be the same? This is base 4 and power x. This is base 100 with no power, just power 1. Okay? No, we cannot. So the first thing we do is to take the log, okay, of both sides. We have it that log 4 power x is equals to log 100. Okay? So if you have this, you can recall now the laws of logarithm. The laws of logarithm we are talking about states that whenever you have log m power of n, that is the same thing as n multiplying log m. Okay, if you understand this particular rule in logarithm, we'll now apply it here. Remember, our goal here is just to find the value of x. So if you apply it, you have it that x will now multiply log 4 and is equals to log 100. Okay, so at this point, what do? We divide the left and the right hand side by log 4. Reason because we are actually looking for just the x. So if you divide it by log 4, you divide by log 4. So that log 4 will cancel out log 4, okay? And that will be that x is equal to log 100 divided by log 4. You can now see that we can write 100 to be the product of 25 and 4. So know that we now write 25 times 4 divided by log 4 because nothing changed, because we always know that 25 times 4 is 100. So at this point, you are going to recall another law of logarithm, which says that whenever you have log of mn, okay, that this is actually the log of m plus the log of n, okay? If you agree with this, we'll now apply this in the numerator. Okay, so you can now see that we're still having x to be equal to, we have it as log 25 plus log 4 all over log 4. Okay, so since you apply this, you can now know our simple fraction rule, just like in basic classes where you have a plus b divided by c. It's basically a over c plus b over c, right? If you agree with this, we are going to use it to split the fraction. We can write it as x is equals to log 25 over 4 plus log 4 over log 4. Okay? And this can be further simplified to be that this is equals to 25 is 5 squared, right? So we can write it as log 5 squared 4 over log 2 squared, because 4 is also 2 squared, right? Then this will cancel out this. We are having 1. So we have it as plus 1. Okay? From this rule we used initially, since this is the power, we can multiply it to the log. We are going to apply it here. So if you apply it here, what are you having? You can see that x is equals to 2 log 5 divided by 2 log 2. Okay? Then plus 1. 2 and 2 will cancel out each other. What are you left with? You are actually left with 1 plus log 5 over log 2. Okay? So remember the change of base formula, you know, that whenever you have log m over log n, you can actually use a change of base, which says that this can be seen as log n of m. This is change of base rule. So if you use it here, you can see finally that x is equals to 1 plus log 2 log of base 2 of 5. And that's the actual answer. Okay? So that's it. So we have to verify to know whether our answer is actually right. we are going to put, we say that x is equals to 1 plus log of base 2 of 5, right? At its simplest form. So we are going to put this back into the equation to know whether we are right. So we'll have it as 4 to the power of 1 plus log of base 2 of 5. Okay? Yes. Remember, is it actually 100? We are checking. So remember the law of exponent, which says that a to the power of a plus a to the power of b plus c is equals to a to the power of b times a to the power of c. It's still the same. So we are going to apply this rule here. If we apply it, what are we getting? We have 4 to the power of 1 times 4 to the power of log base 2 of 5. Is it actually 100? Okay. And this is what we are checking to know. We have it as 4 power 1 is ordinary 4. And this 4, we can write it as 2 squared, right? So multiply 2 squared, then log of base 2 of 5. At this point, we can still write this to be that 4 into 2, then raised to power 2 log 2 base actually. Okay, so you now see that this, so is we are checking to be 4 times to the power of log 2 5 squared. And you know that 5 squared is 20. 2 to the power of log of base of 20. Almost close. So you recall again, which we have to be that log of base m of n is actually n. That whenever you raise to a log of, answer is what? 4 times. This is exactly the same because 2m is now 2 and is serving as the base here again, and 25 times 25. 4 times 25 is what? 100. So our processes and our solution is right. Please don't fail to like, comment, and share to stay notified anytime I drop a new content. Bye.